Why is it so complicated and costly to get your computer or phone fixed when it breaks?
It's so frustrating, right? Too often, your only options are to either use the manufacturer's preferred repair service at a possibly inflated price or buy a whole new product. But as Contact 6's Jenna Sachs explains, change is on the way.
I don't remember exactly how I dropped it, but it started a little crack, and then every time I would take off my case, I would just notice a little bit more damage.
If I don't get it fixed in time, I lose all my information.
It'll cost a lot to fix. You might as well buy a new one. I said, I don't want to buy a new one.
It's a common gripe for consumers. Manufacturers frequently limit tech repairs to authorized repair shops, making it much harder for people to search for convenient and affordable service, much less perform the repairs themselves.
Oftentimes manufacturers, they don't develop these products with repairability in mind. And then on top of that, force consumers to, again, rely on them for repairs, which can be costly and at times inconvenient.
But that might be starting to change. Consumer Reports advocates like Angel Han helped pass the nation's first right to repair law in New York, giving residents more choice in how they can get tech products like laptops and phones fixed.
You can go to an independent repair shop that should be able to provide the same kind of quality of repairs like Apple or Best Buy. Alternatively, you are now able to get the parts, the tools, instruction manuals straight from the manufacturer.
Similar bills are in the works in California, Colorado, Massachusetts, and Minnesota. But even if you don't live in a state that has a right to repair law, you may see benefits. Manufacturers are beginning to make replacement parts and service manuals available online. Information Consumer Reports says has been a secret for way too long and could save consumers big bucks.
Families could save up to $330 a year if they were able to repair their products themselves or find other ways to repair their products outside of the manufacturer, as well as save over 600,000 tons of e-waste going into landfills.
Most right to repair laws cover electronics such as laptops, smartphones, and tablets, but not home appliances like microwaves or medical equipment. But as right to repair laws become more common, eventually they could end up covering more items around the house. I'm Jenna Sachs, Contact 6.